Great, great. No marks on this. One of the things are okay. About seeds. Okay. And seeds and yeah, paddy and before that. Yeah, that's what it says. Yeah. Okay, sit down. Very good. We discussed about seeds. Very good. And yeah, we discussed about the seeds from the factory and why we have to why we are buying seeds every year. Yeah, very good, man. Yeah, exactly. Even after selecting good seeds, they will place that seeds with chemicals so that the remaining pests will be killed.
Sir, you told about a crops.
About?
Crops.
Yeah.
Means the crops and the preparations of some crops will be given like basmati rice given will be there, sir. That how much length will be there, sir.
Yeah.
That was a preparation of them, you told, sir. And the good seeds and some bad seeds will be there, sir. How
Yeah.
many seeds we have? Again we will add chemicals, then they will be packaged, sir. Again, and the farmers will be take a short land and he will
They will do sowing.
sowing, sir.
Yeah.
And it will be plucked out and take a big land, full land.
They will make it as bundle and they will put in agriculture. Very good, Emmanuel. Your friend quickly recall what we just told yesterday. Okay. What do we do? What do we do as first step in any agriculture practice? Wait a minute. Somebody from this room. What do we do as first step? What is the first step in agriculture? Very good. Preparation of soil. Soil preparation. What and all included in this? Growing and leveling. What will happen if we leave any of this step? Not exactly. Our purpose. Yeah, stand up. Your friend will say. Yeah, you can say so. Very good. Equal distribution of water won't be there. See, after flowing, if we don't level it, it will be uneven and water will be deposited at a place. So equal distribution won't be there and water supply won't be uniform. Then there can be the decreased growth in some of the plants. Okay? And what's the second step? Seeds. What kind of steps included in this? Steps. First, what we will do for broadcasting? First, we should select the seeds, right? We should select good seeds. Then only we can do broadcasting or using machines or something. First, we will select good seeds. Then what we will do? Already we prepared the land. Already we selected the seeds. Then what else is left? Yeah, very good. Sowing in a selected area which was maintained very well. Small area itself, small plot of land. Then what we will do after sowing? We will get seeds. No. We will get plantlets. Small plants are called as plantlets. So what we will do? Very good. We will plug those plantlets along with roots. Then we will keep bundles. We will not transplant in one, right? We will take it as bundles. We will take nearly some 5 to 6 and we will make it as bundle and we will insert it. Insert those. In Telugu we say Naru. Udupu. Yeah. Very good. Udupu. Transplanting. Okay. So far the process is clear. Now we should just look after providing water and water is required. Huh? In monsoon season we will do. Yeah, even for that. See, the water we are getting from rain may not be enough all the time. We should sometimes from
Take a
ponds
water.
we will
Yeah,
make it,
water.
right?
Like water.
Yeah. Of course, water can be there, but we should make sure water is there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, water, fine. What else is required? What and all we put efforts for that? What and all? Powder. Huh? Powder, okay, very good. What is powder? What for we? Yeah, Gattam. What for we are doing that? Okay. What?
For fertilization.
For fertility. Very good. We will apply manure. After this we will supply manure. And what else we supply?
Powder.
Huh?
Powder.
Powder is itself is manure. Urea. What is urea? Urea is some of the very good. Pesticide. Yeah, pesticides and sometimes DDT and such kind of chemicals we will use. So okay. Okay. Remember these 2 steps. Apply manure and pesticide. Okay. Okay. So why do we get ill? Yeah. Why do we fall ill? Yeah. Sit down. Why do we get ill? Why do we fall ill? General question. Why do we fall ill? What's your name? Mandi. Okay. Is it your first class? Okay. Come and sit here. Okay. Why do we fall ill? Yeah, when there is no immunity. Very good. See, we don't fall ill because of lack of immunity. We fall. It will be severe if we don't have immunity. That's it. But why do we fall ill?
Sir, in some seeds will be there disease something.
No, I am not asking in connection with our topic. I am just asking very casually. Because of lack of sanity. Lack of sanity. Sanity. Subramanian. Answer చేస్తారు. Sanity means శుభ్రంగా ఉండడం. What happens if we don't maintain sanity?
We will get
We will be affected by microorganisms. I told you already. I told you in the last chapter. Those who are there in section A. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, you was shuffled. Yeah, new strand of coronavirus. Yeah.
We will be not get any impact. It will be wonder.
Okay, fine. Let's come back to our topic. Okay. So we fall in because of action of microorganisms. When we don't maintain sanity, there will be some of the microorganisms which can enter into our body and affect our immunity. That's how we fall ill most of the time. So do plants fall in?
Yes.
Plants.
because of
Okay. Do you believe plants are living?
Yes, sir.
How many of you believe plants are living? Raise your hand. Very good. Most of you. Okay. You all think plants are living?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then do they fall in like us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course. Even they will be affected by microorganisms. Okay.
Like
Now. Yeah. Small insects and microorganisms and all. So what we should do for that?
Pesticides.
That is the function of pesticides. We apply some, if we fall ill, we will go to doctor and take medicines. But how about they? Can those plants go to doctor, ask for medicine? Can those say symptoms, sir, I am feeling like this, I am feeling cold, I am getting, no, right? Then how we can recognize that is having some illness? Stand up and say. Very good. This is about insects. When insects affect, it will eat leaves and roots. You can see some change. It won't look healthy anymore. Yeah, stand up. You're saying?
Insects will be coming on corn plants, sir.
Yeah.
The insects will be full of corn, sir.
Okay.
Then
Your friend Emmanuel is saying the corn infected by some of the insects, nothing will be left out. It will eat all the food material. Okay, but why do these animals affect? Microorganisms affect plants.
Because they can get easily.
Very good. Food is, crops are nothing but storage of food. Why are we cultivating that? For food only, right? When the food is readily available there, why won't these microorganisms affect? Of course, they will also go for food. Okay, so what should we do? We should apply some of the pesticides by seeing the symptoms. If we get some of the illness, if we fall in something, then we can observe symptoms. In the same way, they will also show some of the symptoms, like leaves get wilted sometime, and it will become red color. You can say in Telugu, I will translate it for your friend. If you have enough, if you know anything about this, you are very welcome to share your thoughts with us.
Corn, sir.
Corn? Which is eating corn?
Grasshopper.
Yeah, very good. Grasshopper. Okay. Okay, let's come back to our pesticides again. So we are applying pesticides for insects. So, okay, open your book. Page number. Let's read some of the names. Page number 126. Page number 126. Okay, have you seen powder-like thing on some of the plants? Powder, white powder like something will be present. Did you see? Powder-like thing, powder. We can see some powder-like thing. అరే పౌడర్ లా ఉంటది కదా తెల్ల తెల్లగా. Not urea. Without applying anything, without our
Sir, it's chamta will be gone, sir. Chamta will Salt will be gone, sir, when chamta comes.
The same way you can see that white layer on plants sometimes. Do you know what is it? It is also a living organism. You may think like it's just like some powder, someone applied powder. But some don't think like that. It can be some of the microorganisms. So farmers keep observing plants, that's why. Even water, everything is available. Even they supply identify everything manual and all. Even after that, they go to field every day. At least for once in 2-3 days, they will go and see everything. They see if something is affected. But why do I mean, if a plant is getting some disease, what you will do? Will you think like, yeah, okay, it's this one plant, let's leave the plant, anyhow we are not getting anything from that single one. It is negligible. Will you think like that?
No, sir.
What you will do
It
then?
can affect all the plants.
Exactly. If you leave anything like that, it can affect all the plants. Very good. So that's why applying pesticides and keep observing the plant is very important. It's not like, yeah, we are preparing soil, we sowed seeds, we applied manure and pesticides. Yeah, our work is done. We shouldn't leave it like that. We should keep an eye. That's why we can identify some of the changes in that and we can do some of the things according to that. Okay. Open page number 126. There is a table in there. If you don't have textbooks, come here.
Sir, that is my
Okay, your textbook, give it back. Extra textbook? Extra textbook.
Sir, for me, sir, I have 2 textbooks, sir.
Take this textbook. In
Sir,
that
I
table,
have 2 textbooks.
in that table it was written name of the farmer and
Grown crop,
yeah, the crop that is grown,
observe the disease, name of the pesticide,
observe the disease,
name of the pesticide, result,
name of the pesticide used, results and remarks. Very good. It's a clear. See, just go to a farmer and ask him if he can observe any of the disease. Like they will know very easily about all this. Every year they are doing this, no? Just ask him and get to know at least the name in Telugu. What crop they, yeah, you can write in Telugu also. You just need knowledge. If you write in Telugu, even your teacher or somebody can help you to write it back in English, translate it for you. But at least get to know the knowledge. Anyhow, I don't think you will get names in English from farmers. At least write in Telugu. Then name of the pesticide. When they observe some disease, they know the pesticides that is used and result. What will happen after applying that? And remarks. What will happen after applying such pesticide? Okay? And can anybody? Do you think all the insects and all the microorganisms are harmful?
yes,
Okay, just think. Just take normal example of us. Is microorganism doing any favor to us? No. It's doing no favor.
Yeah.
If it is doing no favor, you will not get curd.
Lactobacillus.
Which is the microorganism that is responsible for preparing curd?
Lactobacillus.
Lactobacillus. Very good. And any other uses in preparing?
Bread.
Vaccine. What is vaccine?
Means
Vaccine is
That-
dead or disarmed microorganism that is given into the body of recipient. Yeah, humans or some animal. So what will happen? What is the reaction that is happening inside our body? We can fight easily with the disease. What this vaccine will do? First it will give an exposure. How the structure of microorganism will be. Then how our body will respond for that? It will develop memory cells. So when the real microorganism comes again, we can find very easily. And any other uses? Antibiotics. What is antibiotics?
turmeric,
Sir, means turmeric, when we have that wound, it will be have some water type, no sir.
Yeah.
That will be we'll use that like only means we'll use that like only means it will become diseases, sir.
Very good. When our skin is exposed outside, when our meat is exposed. I mean, when we get a scar or
Infection.
infection here, if we leave it like that, it will become big and it will be very severe after some days. So we should do something for it. We should do.
Turmeric.
Then we will apply either turmeric or sometimes we even do. We go to doctor and we will give antibiotics.
Yes,
What is
sir.
antibiotic? Did you ever think of antibiotic?
Yes, sir.
What is antibiotic? Huh?
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Iodine.
Turmeric is antibacterial. So what it will do? It will keep microorganisms away from you. But if you are already affected by microorganisms, what you should do? You should either kill it or fight with it. So it is done through medicines and antibiotics. So you know medicines, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then what is this antibiotic?
Sir.
Definitely you heard. Everybody of you
Yes, sir. I had.
You heard.
Yeah.
But what is it?
Sir, for me, cough means they give, sir.
Stand up. What is an antibiotic? Hmm? Neem. That is also antibacterial, antimicrobial. What is antimicrobial? The thing, sit down. The substance that keeps you away from microorganisms. When you apply these antibacterial things, bacteria won't come here. But when microorganism is already present, you should do something. You should either kill it. How will you kill it?
Sir.
See, with medicines also you can do that. If you do that, it is called as
Sir, when
it is
the
called as
coming.
normal medicine. But when you kill it with other microorganisms, it is called as antibiotic. What is bio? Bio means life itself, right? Anti-bio. The bio that is fighting against the other organism. Okay? Here we are using C. Antibiotic. In this we are using bio. In this we are using living organism. Bio is living, right? In this we are using living organism itself. See, for killing one microorganism, we are using other microorganism. So, can we do the same in plants? Of course we can do. Plants. That's what's happening in some of the crops. When the plant is infected by one microorganism, there are chances that other microorganism can fight with it. Okay, in the same way, some of the okay, you already read this transgenic plants. Those who are in section A, transgenic plants. What is this transgenic plant? What is trans? Trans means something changed, something altered. Trans means change. Very good. Good one. Very good. Transgenic. What is genic? What is genic? Genic means gene. What is a gene? DNA, right? So in this we are altering. We are changing the gene of the plant. How we are changing? Through biotechnology. Yeah. How we are changing it? Okay, I will tell you now. What will happen in this transgenic plant? So I told you already. There is a character of some of the microorganisms that it can kill other microorganisms, right? So one microorganism is there. It is having a DNA, and this can kill other. This can kill microorganism named A. This is microorganism A, and there is a plant here, and it is continuously affected by microorganism A. Microorganism A is feeding on this crop. So what we are doing? We can either spray this microorganism on this. Okay, we will name this as C. We can either spray this microorganism C on this, but it will be costly, right? I mean, if we do that every time, we should buy that pesticide. We should go for this. Because of this, we are doing like we are taking genome of this DNA of this plant, and we are cutting it at a point, and we are taking some of the gene material from this microorganism seed. See, this is the gene material, center one, and we are inserting it here. Okay. So what will happen? This is having the gene for fighting with this microorganism A, right? So this will be resistant of this microorganism A. These are called as transgenic plants, right? And read some. There are some microorganisms names here. Stand up.
What page number?
Wait. No, not microorganisms. Commonly, page number 130. Commonly used pesticides. Commonly used pesticides are DDT. What is DDT? DDT full form. Diphenyl trichloroethane. DDT means diphenyl trichloroethane. And next pesticide BHC, benzene hexachloride. Next pesticide chlordane. Next pesticide Idrin. Next one aldrin. Next one endosulfan. Next one diazinon pesticide, or usually pesticide. Okay, sit down. Write down these pesticide names in your book. To write it once, it will be easy for you to remember. Write down DDT and BHP and chlor. First DDT, next BHP.
Huh?
Write down, open your textbook, page number 130 on the top. There are some commonly used pesticides. Write down, it's already there in your book. If you come across some problem, what you will do next time? If the same problem comes, you already know, right, how to respond for that problem. So you will fight easily, right? So won't these microorganisms do the same? They will get immune, right, to these kind of chemicals. So what you will do next time? Definitely you should go with the next combination. Even they will develop immunity for that, right? Okay, fine. Let's discuss the other things later. Shall we quickly recall what we discussed in this class? Okay, stand up. About pesticides. What is a pesticide?
Insects. Why insects are affected by
The chemical that we are applying for insects, to kill insects. Okay, very good. Sit down. What is antibiotic?
Sir.
Yeah, stand up. Yeah. Antibiotic is using one organism to kill the other harmful organisms. Okay. Okay. See, in page number 129, there are some of the symptoms written. Write down the symptoms for different diseases. Okay. By tomorrow, and you can even go to a farmer and correct this information also. Name of the farmer.
I know English.
You know?
I know English.
You know in English? Okay, very good. How do you know? Was it already written in book? Then?
I saw in video.
Okay, very good. fill the table also by tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.